दुनिया भारत को विश्व बंधु के रूप में देखती है तो ये हमारे लिए गर्व की बात है।
At the core of Prime Minister Modi's foreign policy doctrine and global outreach is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, meaning the world is one family. This is an all-embracing outlook envisioned by Prime Minister Modi, advocating global progress as one universal family, transcending borders, languages and ideologies. It's only under his leadership, India's long history of promoting peace globally through its foreign policy and diplomacy, contributions to peacekeeping missions, is widely recognized and respected worldwide. Thus, the writing is on the wall. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, recognized as a global statesman advocating peace, dialogue and cooperation. Amid global conflicts, it's the Indian Prime Minister who has always championed stability, hence the emergence of India's role as a voice of reason. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, India's international stature and geopolitical approach based on multi-alignment has only made India's global position robust. The hallmark of Prime Minister Modi's leadership promotes India as a bridge builder and mediator in global conflicts, emphasizing dialogue, respect for sovereignty and cooperation.
ये सम्मान केवल मेरा सम्मान नहीं है, यह 140 करोड़ भारतवासियों का सम्मान है।
Testament to this are numerous strategic state and multilateral visits Prime Minister Modi undertook, many marked by several firsts and several monumental in nature. Prime Minister Modi has had a rare distinction of addressing parliament sessions on foreign soil with global legislators listening to him in rapt attention.
ये संविधान की ही ताकत है।
In 11 years, Prime Minister Modi has addressed international parliaments 17 times, out of which he addressed the US Congress twice in 2016 and 2023, making him the only Indian Prime Minister to have done so in India's history.
When India sets benchmark in growth, it will inspire many other countries to do the same.
Something which reinforces his tall stature as global statesman. During the SCO summit, Prime Minister's first high-level India-China reset since 2020 border tensions garnered tremendous global attention. Prime Minister Modi signaled strengthening of India-Russia ties with a reaffirmed strategic partnership. This was also reflective of his balanced diplomacy, engaging China and Russia while keeping autonomy from the West, sending out a strong message to global community that India stands firm on its ground. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also been one of the few leaders who visited both Ukraine and Russia in 2024 and advocated for peace. Prime Minister Modi also is the first Indian Prime Minister to have visited Israel in July 2017 and Palestine in February 2018. In the ever-changing world order, amidst conflict-ridden and fraction-driven geopolitics, the international community now looks at India. Rather, looks up to India. India today stands out as a voice that matters for its geopolitical strength, driven by this leadership and its vision at the helm. Prime Minister Modi's story of leading the nation of billions, driven by perform, reform and transform, has positioned India as global power, fronted by his international outreach, amplified by his personal demeanor. Prime Minister Modi of India continues to amplify India's voice on world stage. The message stands loud and clear. India is positioned to lead the new world order under Prime Minister Modi's leadership. The Modi way, hence the India way. With Ayushi Ahuja, Sakal Bhatt's report for DD India.